Hello friends, how are you? Hope all of you are doing well. Welcome to my channel as Tech Mantra. I am Ashish and today I am going to discuss with you CTE with examples. So CTE, Common Table Expression. As one of my session I have already explained that what is CTE. So today I will give you some simple example of CTEs so that we can understand that how CTE useful for us. So here we are going to cover what is CTE, types of CTE and examples of CTE. So in examples, I'm going to explain that how to create numeric columns with specific conditions using CTE and how can we get the nth highest salary of an employee. So what is CTE? CTE is a result set of multiple SQL queries that remains in the memory for the scope of single execution of insert, update, delete, merge, or select statements. CTE offers a logical approach to writing queries that can break the complex queries down to a series of logical steps and help to improve the readability of queries, and we can achieve more complex result sets using CTE. And what is the syntax? So this is the syntax, right? With CTE name, and then we can define number of columns. Column 1, 2, 3 are as per our requirement, then as, and inside the bracket we can define our complex or simple query. Then we can select staff from that CTE name. So here I'm going to explain the examples. So how to create numeric column with specific condition. So here we have a condition. Suppose if we have a requirement to create a numeric column with numeric values, it should start by number s and increment by number I and produce total number of values t. So here we have declared three variables, like declare at the rate of s, it is the starting value of that column. Here I have defined here 5 and I int is equal to 3, and then t integer equal to 15. So here I am selecting the select at the rate of s, that is the starting value. Then we are using here union all. Then select s plus at the rate of I. At the rate of I it's the incremented value, or we can say that difference between two rows. This value is defined here at the rate of I, and then as s, then we are selecting here from rec underscore city, that is the city name, where I have put the condition that s plus incremented value I is less than at the rate of t. Less than at the rate of t means maximum number value. So here we will select star from CTE name. Then we can get the result as 5, 8, 11 and 14. 5 is the starting value of that column, and 15 we have already defined that it is the maximum value. So we can check here that 5, 8, 11 and 14, that is the three value differences. So we can define that column with our the specific condition. We can change starting value, we can change last value, we can change incremental value, whatever as per our requirement, we can create the column. Now moving to the next example. So here suppose we have a requirement to create two columns with positive and negative integer values starting from 0 and difference with 2, and max limit of numbers are 8. So here I have declared two variables, that is at the rate of p for the positive value and at the rate of n for the integer value, negative value, and at the rate of d, that is the differences for the value. So here I am also using the recursive CTE. So select at the rate of n as negative number and at the rate of p as positive number. So first starting value will be here as 0, and after that I am selecting value like negative number minus d, that is the differences as negative number, and then positive number plus at the rate of d as the positive number from CTE, and here I have put the condition where positive number is less than 8. So here I am selecting that CTE. So here we can see that result negative number column and positive number column. So positive number is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, and negative number column is 0, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6 and minus 8. So we can create dynamically two columns, same for the negative number and same for the positive numbers. Now moving to the next example. So here this is the very most important questions which is oftenly asked in the interview. So how to get the nth salary of employee? So now I want to find out the first salary, how to find out top one salary. So we can see here that I have declared at the rate of n, that is the nth salary, an integer value equal to 1 for the first top salary. So I am using here the dense rank function. So friends, if you are not aware about dense rank function, then you can watch my previous video where I have explained that how can we use dense rank function. So here you can see that select emp underscore cell as salary and then dense rank over order by emp salary as salary rank from the employee payroll table. So here I have also given you that script. We can create a employee payroll table for testing purpose, that how can we get the data, and then we can find out here the select top one salary from that CTE, and here we can define the dynamically what is the salary we want to get. Then salary rank equal to at the rate of n. Here this is the next example for that same city, that how can we find out the third salary. So here in that example simply I have defined at the rate of n, that is the nth salary value equal to 3. So here I will get the third largest salary. So you can see here the bit city salary, and here I am also using the same dense rank function, and salary rank is equal to at the rate of n. So in we can change the value of at the rate of n, first, second, third, four, or five, whatever we need, we can find out the top third, top four, top five. So this is the example to get the top nth salary of an employee using the CTE, and we can also use here dense rank function. So by using CTE and dense rank function, we can get the nth salaries of an employee. Thank you. Thank you for watching the session. Friends, if you like this session, then please like my video, share my video, and subscribe the channel, so that whenever I will create a new video, then you will get the intimation for that session and you can watch that session. Thank you for watching the session.